Nakasubscribe.
Nakasubscribe. Nakakakilig.
What is the color of the house behind them? Don't review.
Ano
No
daw?
cheating. It's
Nakita
yellow.
mo ba?
You
Red?
dummy. It's time for another game. Again, you have 5 lives. You lose 1 if you do anything other than keeping a
Oh my
straight
gosh.
face and breathing. The rules are simple, so I hope you make it. Enjoy.
Serious lang daw.
Ikaw ang pinakagwapo sa SB19, di ba?
Hindi ko i-claim yan, boss.
Nako, sasabihin ko, ikaw pinakagwapo.
Yung BBM gumagano.
Nakita ko yung abs eh. Ang hirap naman din mag-react. Wala, talo na agad ako.
Let me tell you about me. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't
Bakit
want
siya
my
pa
voice too
dyan?
sweet. I don't worry about you.
Pogi.
I just worry about me. So you better run, run. You don't know what I mean. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep, beep. I don't care about you. I just care about me. So you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my
Excited na ako makita siya. Serious face lang naman daw.
Minus 1 na agad this time. Meron pa akong live.
Excited na ako makita sila mag-graduate.
Paano mo kinakaya?
Sexy, grabe.
Guys, ang hirap naman. Pipikit na lang ako.
Uy, ang hot nun. He's so manly. Ay, grabe. Ay, problem of relation, grabe. Parang wait lang ah. Grabe, ang galing niya sumayaw.
Dapat daw may punishment. 3 lives na lang daw ako. Alam mo nagbibilang. Okay, serious.
Ba't naman ganyan yung live? Ay, sa ano yan? Sa... Parang 6 flat. Sabi yung ano niya, no? 6 days. Cute. Ang cute niya kasi
Uy!
tapos ang manly.
Meron pa akong 3 lives. 3 pa, refresh. Wala pa si Stella at Ken, ubos na lives nito. Wait lang, ang hirap naman. Paano mo na pipigilan?
I'm an actor.
Okay,
I'm a
serious na.
Thespian of the year.
May parusa daw pag ano.
Kayo nga guys mag-decide. Naubos
Sige,
na.
kayo mag-decide ng parusa.
Yung may
Sige.
pinaka-best na parusa.
Ito na. 3 pa lives ko ha.
So ko yun.
Huwag ka tumawa. Oh.
Titignan mo naman kasi gumano. Ang funny.
Wala na, bawas ka na.
Okay, bawas na ako. Ang funny, oh. Tingnan mo.
Wag mo pa.
Tingnan mo naman kasi.
Wag mo na ulitin.
Ah, tingnan
Ito
mo
naman,
naman kasi.
pigil na nga ako.
Ay,
eh.
ano?
Ah.
Nakagana.
Wala, hindi counted. Inulit.
Nakaganon siya, oh.
Inulit.
Kaya ako natawa.
Ulit.
So cute.
Ulit,
Kasi
ulit.
ginagawa
Ano
niya sa akin yun eh. Uy.
Wait na, pause mo nga muna. Ubus mo na
4, 4-3.
4-3.
4-2.
2 na lang daw ako.
O, 2 ka na lang daw.
4-2.
Oh, 4 lives na ako. Ang pogi kasi, asawa ko yun eh. Asawa ko yan.
Ganun kasi magsalita.
Payat niya, no?
If you could look into my eyes, you'd see why I am hypnotized. Oh, you get wrong with this.
Ang pogi kasi! Ayoko, natalo na ako.
Won't you wanna see what's deep inside? And take it for a mighty ride. Oh, you get some from all fire and blind from all the things your dirty mind
Ano
wants.
mo, Angel?
Out of my mind, yeah,
Josh Tin ako eh. Kuha niya ako. Ba't ko talaga yung mga singkit? Sabi naman
Oh
sa
my
picture.
God!
Ganito. Ay, sabi ng transition. Ang cute. Cute mo daw. Ang dami daw natutuwa sa'yo.
Talo na si JM. Hindi pa ako talo. May isa pa akong live. May isa pa akong live.
And I've got to live it.
Yung 20 mahirapan si Matt. Yung bagong Hot Wheels si Ja.
2024 na to. Okay, si serious.
Hirap pa naman ako sa ganito. Ang bilis ko maano sa mga pogi na cute na video. Okay.
Si Pablo na. 2024 na to.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love.
Para siya yung boyfriend material
Well, this
talaga.
is
no?
definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Looking in the rearview mirror, my decisions may be clearer. You say I'll never find somebody like you. Find somebody like you.
Mahala ko bago rin mag-premiere. Watch kayo kay Miggy Boy, guys.
Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So pitiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get high out of your love. So You sent chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So beautiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get high out of your love. So
Sa buwan.
Okay. Tatlo na. Tatlong members.
Oh my God!
Diyos ko, paano to?
I didn't know why you came to me. If your intentions are good, why are you in this hood? But something led me to feel astray. There is more in your heart than I saw from the start. Baby, I feel like maybe you have attached little wings on my back. Deep inside my mind, you glow like a nova and would never screw me over. You got my heartstrings tangled up.
Sabi ng
My
post.
veins are all twined like
Ay, ang athletic
neurons in
na.
my mind. You're like a drug, I can't get enough. Gotta find another cure, but then you show up at my door. Baby, I feel like maybe you have attached mirror wings on my back. Deep inside my
Go daw.
but
Huwag niya dito.
wanna be
Bagay sa kanya yung orange hair.
forever till we both fall asleep. I feel your breeze in my
Ay, ang ganda ng shot na to!
That's all I want.
Grabe nung sayaw.
Love's express when you have to
Parang ako nabubuntis.
Ano?
Guys, kita niyo ba to?
have to leave. My body can't take
Sayo ko natawan?
Kita niyo ba to?
myself.
Panagutan ko to, Stel.
So take me for a trace. Your breath is all I want to breathe. So blow your breeze on me.
Ang suwabe.
Last. Hayop, si Ken pa talaga yung hinuli.
Guwapo.
I've been waiting all night.
Mas ganda to.
Watch you blow a mile.
Pares kami tato.
Please don't come over, cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. Please don't touch me like that. Cause you know I'll react. Don't make me do
Isa pa, ayoko.
I'll react. Please don't touch me like that. Cause you know I'll react. Don't make me do this. I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules, and that's facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love, and they would try to solve it, yeah. You, what we do, it stays between me and you.
Yan, gabat.
Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. And I know that when you come along, and I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong. I don't care. It makes me happy. And if you're happy, then let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah, me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do,
Okay,
it
let's do it.
stays between me and you.
Diyos ko.
It stays between me and you.
Ay, tapos na! Ang ending... Kailang months na yan, Mars?
Mars.
Parang ano na siya eh. Sinisipa siya.
Sinong ama niyan?
Hindi ko rin sure eh. Dalawa eh.
Dalawa din sa akin.
Dalawa rin sa'yo. Basta, kilala ko ng mga ninong nila. So, kumusta kayo dyan, guys? Ayun, medyo... Ano na last video natin? 2 hours lang muna tayo. Medyo... Ay,
Ano na, kailangan ko na magpahinga. Alagaan ko ba yun? Upo lang ako maayos. Ay. Woo! Grabe. Grabe.
Nilabas yung tawa. Grabe yun, guys. Hindi namin kaya. Next week na po yung 2023.
Meron bang hindi nakapag-react
Hindi ko na
doon?
kaya.
Hindi ba nakapag-react doon? Grabe naman yung mga napiling clips ni Mr. Casual Chuck. At gusto ko na kay Casual Chuck talaga nang galing yung video. Ang funny.